how to turn off or on show courses you're taking on your profile page on Udemy. Easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn it off or on. First open your browser, and once you're here, click on your profile here, and here you will find your profile settings. Now all you need to do, just go to this one here, privacy, click on it, and now just here we'll find it, second one here, show courses you're taking on your profile page, and that's it. You can turn it off or on just by one click, and after that click save. Here's it, and as you see, your changes have been successfully saved, and then just go back, it will be saved, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.